Welcome back, fellow travelers. Today we're diving into the vibrant and enchanting city of Alanya, Turkey. From stunning beaches to ancient ruins, this coastal paradise has something for everyone. Join us as we uncover the 8 best things to do in Alanya, guaranteed to make your visit unforgettable. So grab your sunscreen, camera, and sense of adventure, because we're about to embark on a journey through the hidden gems of Alanya. Number 8. Boat trips. From around May to October, numerous tour boats set sail from Alanya Harbor for day-long excursions around the dramatic rocky headland. These trips include visits to sea caves once used by pirates and offer plenty of swim stops along the coast. The main sea caves visited are Pirate Cave and Damlatas Cave, though depending on the boat, you may also visit Phosphorlu Cave and Lover's Cave. The quality of these trips can vary greatly. Some boats are essentially party cruises, so it's wise to check the operators beforehand and seek recommendations from your hotel. Generally, smaller boats are a better choice if you prefer a quieter experience without an onboard disco. For a shorter excursion, consider a sunset sail around the harbor. Number 7. Day trip to Side. The ancient ruins in the small town of Side are just 64 kilometers northwest of Alanya, making them an easy day trip. Side is a bustling waterfront resort with a touristy bazaar area that winds through the old town and leads to the harbor front. The shoreline is lined with numerous cafes and restaurants, making it an ideal spot to stop for lunch, especially if you're also planning to visit Aspendos on your day trip. The main area of ancient ruins is located just opposite the inland entrance to Side's Old Town. Here, you'll find Side's impressive 2nd century Roman theater, which could seat up to 20,000 spectators. It is one of Turkey's most remarkably well-preserved Roman theaters and the town's most dramatic tourist attraction. Be sure to visit Side Museum, housed in a Roman bathhouse across the road from the theater entrance. Afterwards, explore the sprawling ruins, including the Agora and the Temple of Tyche, located just east of the theater. Once you've toured the archaeological site, head into the Old Town and stroll up to the harbor. Number 6. Rafting and sightseeing in Köprülü Canyon. Köprülü Canyon National Park is located about 120 kilometers north of Alanya and is renowned for its excellent rafting opportunities on the icy Blue River that winds through the canyon. In addition to rafting, the park features Roman ruins and numerous hiking trails. The main Roman archaeological site in the area is Celje, a once thriving city of 20,000 people, located in the quiet village of Altınkaya, 11 kilometers northwest of the canyon. The large Roman theater, carved into the hillside and overlooking the modern village, is a highlight despite being partially ruined. Within the canyon, several tour companies offer rafting trips along the Köprü River, passing through the most scenic parts of the river and under the Roman-built Oluk Bridge, which dates back to the 2nd century. The canyon stretches 14 kilometers, with its walls reaching up to 400 meters high in some places. For those who prefer not to raft, there are several cafes and restaurants along the riverbank where you can relax and take in the canyon's stunning scenery. Number 5. Swim at Sapodere Canyon. Sapodere Canyon, located on the outskirts of the small village of Sapodere, is just 20 kilometers inland from Alanya, making it an easy day trip. From May to October, many tour operators in Alanya offer daily jeep tours to the canyon, ideal for those who want to relax and take in the scenery. Though it only stretches for 800 meters, Sapodere Canyon is flanked by high walls, reaching up to 400 meters, creating a cooler climate compared to the coast. This makes it a popular destination during the peak summer months. A walkway winds through the canyon, passing a few shady cafes where you can unwind and enjoy the serene environment. Number 4. Soak up the sun on Cleopatra Beach. For many visitors, a vacation in Alanya is all about the beach. The sandy shores, lined with resorts, extend along the coastline between Side and Alanya. In Alanya itself, the main beach is Cleopatra Beach, located on the western side of town and separated from downtown by the rocky forested slope of the Castle Promontory. This stretch of white sand offers relaxing days of swimming and sunbathing, with excellent facilities for a full day at the beach. During the peak season in July and August, the beach can become quite crowded. However, if you visit in late spring or early fall, you'll find the weather still sunny and warm, and the beach surprisingly less crowded. Number 3. Visit Saedra. Even during peak tourist season, you are likely to be the only visitors at this atmospheric, secluded ruin, located on a hilltop overlooking the coast, just 22 kilometers south of Alanya. Completely abandoned in the 13th century, Saedra's settlement history dates back to the 7th century BCE. Its most significant period was during the Roman era, when it gained prominence due to its coastal location. Most of the remaining structures visible today are from this period. Be sure to walk along the colonnaded street and explore the Roman baths complex, gymnasium, and temple, which are the site's best preserved features. If you have more time, visit Saedra's church and an olive oil workshop, both of which date from the city's later Byzantine era. Number 2. Explore Alanya Castle. The 6-kilometer expanse of ancient walls surrounding Alanya Castle extends along a high promontory that overlooks the modern city of Alanya. Within these walls lies Alanya's old town, the city's most captivating area to explore. Alanya Castle's origins trace back to the classical era, when this rugged, cave-filled peninsula was a favored spot for pirates. The Greeks initially constructed the fortifications, which were later expanded under Roman rule. Alanya's significance as a Mediterranean seaport began to flourish during the Byzantine era. In the 13th century, the Seljuks took control and built upon the foundations left by previous rulers. Many of the structures still standing today in the castle area date from this period when Alanya became a commercial center. Number 1. Ride Alanya Teleferic. The most picturesque way to reach Alanya Castle is by taking the Alanya Teleferic, which links Cleopatra Beach to the lower castle district of Emedek. Operating daily from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., the cable car ride provides stunning sunset views of the coast while serving as a convenient mode of transport. The 900-meter journey offers spectacular vistas of the forested cliffs leading up to the castle, the expansive stretch of Cleopatra Beach's sand, the Mediterranean Sea below, and the distant dusky mountains. The lower station is located just behind the beachfront, and the upper station drops you off right outside Alanya Castle's main gate. From there, you can continue to explore the historic buildings and ruins up the slope.